so I'm going. Why are you dressed so nicely? Go to the grocery store to get like 4 items. I tried to get it as curly as I could. Did not work. Did not work. It's beach waves, I guess. There's a person coming. Hold up. Never mind, they ended up going to the other person's house. Also, I want to show you the new addition to my family, car family. Oh, it's a little tiny Jesus. Yeah, it's a little tiny Jesus. He's so adorable. Look at him. Look at him. It says, Jesus loves you. It's so cute and adorable. Oh my god. And it sits right next to, if I can even show it, it sits right next to the X-Lotto. And yeah. I know what it is with me. Like dressing up to go to like a place to go get like 2 items, or dressing up to just go outside and chill. It's kind of how I was raised in a way, I guess. I never really saw any of my parents or my brothers go out in pajamas. Never. Like, never. And I still kind of feel uncomfortable doing it because I'm like, I feel vulnerable. I don't know. We shall make our way down to the grocery store, and it is hot as crap. The steering wheel is so hot. It's so hot. Oy. I forgot my headphones were connected and they started playing music, and I was hearing it a little bit, and I was like, what's that noise? And I remembered my headphones were playing music, were connected. What was I saying? I don't remember what I was saying, but I went to grocery shopping. Not necessarily grocery shopping, I just went to the store to get some couple of stuff that my mom needed. And oh dude, okay, so last time they had me walking around, right, at the store. They had me walking around because I worked there. Like I had a clipboard and everything and a little paper, and they had me write down stuff that people or customers or anyone like was looking for and we didn't have, right? So they were like, oh, we should write those down, and at the end of the day you submit them into the website for suggested stuff and blah 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 that they have, this and that. And so I didn't get a lot from customers. I got a few from customers, but I got a lot more from employees, and a few fruits, a few Asian products. And last time they had the fruits that they asked for, and this time around they had the Asian products that I asked for, that I wrote down. I asked for banana milk because I wanted to try banana milk, and also because I could easily go into the city and buy banana milk at an Asian mart, but I just get too lazy to drive all the way over there. Driving in 15 minutes is lazy for me. I don't like doing that. Maybe like 5 minutes is the most I would do, but like sometimes I have to drive more and I don't like it. Anyways, they had banana milk this time, and so I got some. I might try them later. I think I put them in the fridge here. But yeah, banana milk with banana bread at work, dude. I know what it is with that. Oh, it's gonna get loud. Hold up. I don't know what it is with that meme. Banana bread at work, dude. It's just stuck into my head. Like it's just stuck in my head. It's never gonna leave. Every time I see banana or banana bread or anything banana related, I'm gonna think of that one. I don't know why. It's forever, eternally stuck into my brain. Banana bread at work, dude. My mom told me if I wait for stuff, go Subway or something like that. It was so funny.
Dude, I got some fucking banana bread at work today, dude. Hell yeah. My mom told me if I wait for things, like, good things will happen to me, dude. And fucking I waited for some things and I got some banana bread at work today, dude. Hell yeah. So it just goes to show that waiting for things is, like, worth it. But there's a lot of bad things in this world, dude. Like fucking skunks, dude. Hell no. But banana bread at fucking work, dude. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
So we're on a mission. Me and Yuri are trying to learn how to ride the scooters.
Oh my god, my skin looks so clear in your camera. Bird. Okay, open.
Yeah. For real.
Facial recognition.
Ooh.
I need to learn how
Learn
to
how to ride?
I need to download the Bird app.
Ugh. So we got it going. We're really learning how to ride these. How do you feel?
I'm scared. I'm learning how to ride the birdie.
I was almost attacked by a flock of ducks last time.
Really?
Yeah. They're so cute. They're so cute. I want to pet one.
No, he's sleeping.
I want to grab one. Those are huge. Are those geese? It's coming. Look at it. Look at it. It's coming. Oh my god. So we found some cats.
How to get cats to... Oh my god, try using a combination of positive reinforcement and treats. Where are we gonna get treats from?
We don't have any treats.
I don't think they're feral.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5, right? So my phone won't turn on. I'm forced to use it folded ways. My makeup looks weird.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
The bird, you can hear my mom singing. There's a bird there. So I just got home from the store. Okay, hold up.
Agárralo, es que está chiquito. Se ha de haber caído del...
Tell me, Chavez.
Se ha de ver... Agárralo, se ha de haber caído. Gorrión.
¿Qué es eso?
De esos que cantan.
Está bien chiquitito. Ay. ¿Y qué? ¿Y qué?
¿Qué?
¿Qué le vamos a dar?
Chiquita.
He was trying to get away from me. I should have probably let him go, but he was out in the middle by the sun. I don't know if he was dehydrated or anything. He's been drinking water. I'm scared to let him go. I might let him go tomorrow. I'm not gonna let him go tonight because it's dangerous. But if he doesn't have a home, he doesn't have a place to stay, you know, just give him the whole day tomorrow to find a place to stay, right? He's tiny. He's a little baby. I didn't see a mom when I picked it up, so I made sure that there wasn't a mom before I picked him up. I feel like he's getting comfortable to my voice because he falls asleep in my arms. I read somewhere that in order to be like cautious and everything, they sleep with like one eye closed and another one open, and that's what he's doing right now. Look at him, he's so cute. He's so adorable. I don't know if it's a female or a male, but it's a bird. It's a bird, so. It's a little bird. Never mind. almost had it one eye closed and one eye open. Hold up, let's see if I can catch it. You saw that, you saw that, you saw that. I'm gonna let him go tomorrow. I had like a little name to it, but I forgot what the name was. If I remember correctly, it was either Larry or Jerry. One of those two. He's asleep. Never mind, I woke him up. He's so cute. You see how comfortable he is with me now? I don't even have to hold him anymore. He just sits on my hand. Imagine he flies away right now. Let's hope not, because he's gonna get lost in here. It's so cute. I made a little box for him inside. He's so cute. It is 7:50. We'll let this little dude go. Ooh, a bit chilly outside. A bit chilly outside. He's in a box. There's hummingbirds and everything. Okay. Got Mr. Dude right here. Okay. If I put you here, would you fall? Don't fly, don't fly, don't fly. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Can you come back, please? Visit us. You haven't ate, so go find food, and I gave you water already, so it should be fine. Okay. It just went into a hiding spot. So, it went into a hiding spot. Hopefully it's able to get out because I can't see it anymore. I can hear it, but I can't see it. Should I have let it go? There were some birds chirping around here early in the morning, and it was chirping back. I don't know. I should probably have left them on the tree, right? Should probably done that. Here. I can't see him. I'm gonna put you guys down there and see if you guys can see him. Where's he at? I don't know. I couldn't see anything either. It looks scary in there. There's a lot of spiders and stuff. He's right here. Let's see if I can get him out. Okay, it's progress. It's gone. It's gone. He flew. I don't know where he's at though. Don't tell me he went to another hiding spot. This one's even worse. There's one right there. I'm gonna let it do its business. And I'll be back. I feel like it hears it. I just hope it does. Look, it's looking down. That's exactly where it's at. Please go save it. You can't get it out anymore. Okay, well, I don't think the other bird's gonna do anything, and if it dies, it dies. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Should probably kept it inside, but well. I'm going to go check on it one more time. Because I'm low-key scared. It's still chirping. It's still chirping. You can hear it, right? Oh, I thought it moved. It's in the same space. Okay, there's another bird right there. Pajarito! Pajarito! Ven! It's probably scared. Should I be concerned? That's not a crow, okay? But like, should I leave? Two birds here. The third one up on the palm tree. Okay, we'll leave cautiously. Because I think it's staring at me. There's two here. They're probably looking for it. Never mind, they just flew away. But just in case, I'm gonna leave. I'm leaving and then come back in probably an hour or so. See if it's still there.